see someone leaving the church,
ungabocabanga ukuthi
don't ever think
uhlushwe yithina la.
he's been troubled by us here.
No, uye ushiye umoya.
He's left the spirit.
Uma umoya benawo,
If he did have the spirit,
ebengeke afe emoyeni.
he would have died in spirit.
Abantu baphuma bahambe,
People do leave
bahambe bayozenzela inkonzo
to
zabo
go and establish their own
ngoba
churches
bephethwe inkanuko zenyama.
because they are controlled by
Ufuna
their
uzibona
fleshly
naye
wishes.
uNkabi
He wants to see himself
chief apostle
being a chief apostle,
njengami nje.
same as our father.
Hayi lento
This thing,
ngayizalelwa,
I was born for it.
ngayidalelwa,
It was created for me,
ngayilinda,
and I waited for it.
yafika nami ngingazi.
It came when I
Leyo
did not
ukuthi
expect.
uzamazamana noba uchief
This of trying to
uzoba
be a chief
nenkinga
apostle, you have a
ngoba
problem.
uzangiphoyizina,
You will poison our
ngivuke
father,
kuphoyizina,
and arise, you will rise,
uzongidubula,
you will shoot,
ngisinde ebhulethini.
and I will be
Uma
saved from the
ifikile
bullet.
ibhuleti
When the bullet will
izawungena
come,
iphume ngapha ngiphile kodwa.
it will come and go through, but I will still be
Ngoba
alive.
isikhathi sami singekafiki,
Before the time has
angiyi
come,
ndawo.
I'm not going anywhere.
Ngiphilela ukuthi nginifundise,
I live to
nize
teach you
niqonde.
until you
Angiphileli
understand,
ukunigweba,
not to
and
judge you.
angizanga kunigweba.
And I'm not here to judge you, to teach you,
Nize nifunde,
until you have learned
niqonde,
and understood,
ngizokwazi ukuma phambi
so
koNkulunkulu
that I can stand
ngithi
before
baba
God.
naba
Here they are.
baqondile
They have
ukuba
understood
mina ngiphuma
that
kuwena,
I come from you.
ngithi bangcwalise
Sanctify them
ngenyaniso.
with the truth.
Nanto engifunayo.
That's all what I
Lo
want.
nyaka unyaka waleyo nto.
This is the year
Uma
of that.
ngingabagwebanga bangiphoyzinile,
If I did not
wena
condemn
ubani
those
ukuthi
who poisoned me,
ungabagweba?
who are you to condemn them?
Ubani wena?
Who are you?
La
Here,
lenkonzo isifundisa
this church teaches us
ukuthandana.
to love one another.
Uma umthanda umzalwane wakho,
When you love your fellow brother,
umthanda uze umfele.
you love him until you die
Awumthandi
for him.
umbulale.
You don't love and kill him.
Umthanda uze umfele.
You love until you die for
Musuvuma.
him. Don't allow
Musuvuma ufana nabantu
to be like people
ababi
who are evil,
abababulali.
who are murderers.
Musuvuma
Don't allow yourself
ukukhungelwa
to be overshadowed
ulaka
by
ukuze
anger
ungakwazi nokuzwa
until you can't even
izwi
hear
loqola.
the word of peace.
Isema thixo wethu,